About 70 to 80% of the market pairs are moving to the downside. So the bears are already in control of the market. For ADA, we see this very movement, and then from this area, market drop right to this very area of 0.44. And for Bitcoin 1-day charts, the market enter into this very area of 38.5k. Okay, so this very point is this market going to come down into this very area a little bit of $36,000. This is what I'll be talking about in today's video, and many more on ETH and Solana. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the ADA chart, that is other year, you see market is in a clear downtrend. So as we all know, for a downtrending market, you must have to look for short opportunity. And if you look at the market from this very point, retracement and then continuation back down, right now market have moved a little bit to the upside. What I am looking at right now is a continuation of this retracement a little bit to the upside. So we are going to see the market continue this very movement. So it's the market to move upward a little bit, and then the market is going to go back to the downside. So expect a little movement on ADA before the next move to the downside on the 4-hour chart. That is what you should be expecting right now. And if you look at this chart, market move all the way from here. We have from here market move impulse, we have retracement, and the market impulse again. So retracement and then continuation back to the downside. I am also very confident 80 to 90% of the time that this market will still move back to the downside, and so therefore look for short opportunity on ADA 4-hour chart. And on the Bitcoin 1-day chart here, I told you that the market is going to come into this level of $36,000 and $37,000. The market just approached this level of $38,500 at this very point. What I am expecting on the 1-day chart is very simple. Not much thing. The market should still come back down, although we should see reduced momentum from this area where the market is right now of 39.9k into this very point of 36,400 at this very area. We should see reduced momentum to the downside. So a little move into this area. Then from this very zone, we should see retracement of this impulsive move, because you have to understand that these have now turned an impulsive move. Reason is because if the market moved this much from here to the upside, and then there is a break of structure that we've seen right here at this level of critical support. And I also said that if the market break this level of critical support, you should find this very level to be very helpful in the future. Not only that, the market is going to come into this price level of $37,000 and $36,000 at this very point. And that is exact same thing that we must have to watch right now as traders in the market. So on the immediate short time, on the 1-day chart, pay attention to the market moving to the upside, because what we need to expect right now is just a little move downward, and the market will then retrace. Remember, it's a retracement and not a big move. I am not expecting market to just move drastically upward. The possibility exists because we are already approaching the biggest bull run in the crypto market. So what I am expecting right now is a little drop in the market for the 1-day chart to the downside. On the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, if you look at this very point, from here market come back down, we have consolidation, and then after consolidation right here, market drop back down. So expect this retracement. So this retracement is needed in the market right now before the next move to the downside. So on the immediate short time, this market is still going to come down, but expect a little move, okay, into this very price level. That is what I am paying attention to right now, before the market will then continue back to the downside. So what you need to do as well on Bitcoin is to look for short opportunity. Don't buy. This very point is not a nice place to buy the market, because the market will anytime from this very area move to the downside for a continuation of this very impulsive move. So this is what you have to pay attention to as well on the 4-hour chart BTC. And on the ETH chart, ETH have a very huge potential of moving back to the downside, and the reason is because the market is just moving on ETH to the downside. From this very point, market create this low, retrace, move back down, another new low. We have consolidation here, and then after this consolidation, market come back to the downside, and then now retracement. So after every impulsive move like this in the market, retracement is expected before the next continuation of the same move to the downside. So if you look at this very area, I am expecting that the market move upward a little bit for a good retracement and then continuation back down. So this very level of support right here and this level of resistance at this very point will turn resistance at this very area for the market to come back to the downside. This is what I am paying attention to right now. So for ETH, expect these very markets to move a little bit upward for a good retracement and then continuation. So that means this is a waiting period for you right now. Wait for the market to make this move, and then a nice short opportunity will be present to us on this very chart. This is what I am expecting right now. So pay attention to this and put this in your strategy. If you look at Sol here, market moved down as well. Everything is coming back to the downside, but right now retracement, this retracement that is in the market right now will still continue a little bit upward to this very point right here of support. This is what I am expecting. This is a personal opinion. So market is going to move into this very area, and then from this very point market is going to come back to the downside as well. So for Sol, look for short opportunity. There is no need buying the market because we've not seen any break of structure for the years to be taken over in the market by the bulls so that we can see the market move to the upside. So we must have to see a break of structure for a change of market direction. So right now, wait for this market to fully retrace. So after a full retracement, which this very level is a level I am watching right now, from this very zone, expect the market to continue its short mode. Okay, so the bears will take control of the market and market will continue to move to the downside. So that is when you have to look for short opportunity with your strategy. A recap of today's video is that for Solana, look for short opportunity from this very area. For Bitcoin, wait for the market to retrace and then short opportunity. And on BTC 4-hour chart, the same thing, market is going to move a little bit upward into this area, a possible area at this very point. The market is going to come back down. Look for short opportunity as well on this very 4-hour chart. And for the 1-day chart, market is going to move down a little bit with dull momentum before we see retracement of this impulsive move. And for ADA, expect the market to move a little bit upward for continuation of this very downward trend. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on these various charts. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Don't forget to check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.